Hi everyone, I'm back with another tutorial video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete your Facebook account on your device. Before we get started, make sure that you're logged in and also make sure to check your internet connection. Before deleting your Facebook account, make sure to review your password. Now without any further delay, let us get started. So first of all, open up your Facebook application. As soon as you open your Facebook application, the interface kind of look like this. Now on this following page, right on top there is a try bar icon. Tap on it. As you tap on the try bar icon, on the other page you will land inside menu. Now on this following page, in the top right corner you can see a gear icon. Tap on it. On the other page there is settings and privacy. Now under it there you can see account, and under account you can see multiple options. Now right on top there is personal and account information. Tap on it. Now as you tap on personal and account information, on the other page you have the profile information. Right at the bottom you can see account ownership and control. Tap on it. Now on the other page you can see there are two different options. So from here you have to tap on deactivation and deletion, which is right at the bottom. On the other page you have two different options, that is deactivating or deleting your account. In case if you want to temporarily log out of your Facebook application or temporarily delete your account, so you can tap on deactivate account, and in case if you want to delete your account permanently, then tap on delete account, which is right at the bottom. As you select on either one of these following options, scroll down, and right at the bottom you can see continue to account deletion. Tap on it. Now as you are deleting your account, on the other page you must give a reason for deleting your account. You can select on any one of these following options, or you can simply tap on continue to account deletion, which is right at the bottom. On the other page, once again there is a confirmation. So here it says that in case you want to deactivate Messenger application, so you can tap on any one of these following options, or you can simply scroll down right to the bottom and then tap on delete account, which is right at the bottom. Last but not the least, you must enter your password before deleting your account. Enter your correct password, and once you're done entering your password, tap on continue. Now once again there is a confirmation, and it says that your account will be deactivated for 30 days, and after 30 days your account will be permanently deleted. If you have made up your mind, so then tap on delete account. Right over here you can see that I'm logged out, and that is how you can delete your Facebook account on your device. Now that is all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, then make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.